Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NFL Plus subscription easy steps step by step clearly. To activate your NFL Plus subscription, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official NFL website. Locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign in to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password, then click sign in. If you do not have an account, select the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information to create your new account. Once your account is set up, go back to the home page. Look for the NFL Plus subscription section. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Review the details of your chosen plan carefully. Enter your payment information as prompted. Make sure to double-check your payment details for accuracy. Submit your payment to finalize the subscription process. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the NFL website and sign in to your account. Go to the NFL Plus section. You should now see confirmation of your activated subscription. Enjoy accessing all the features included with your NFL Plus subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.